Yes guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. For some of you it probably is going to be a sad video, but for me it's the start of something new. The car as you see it is currently sold. So a quick walk around the car, starting from the outside. We've got a nice little black splitter here. We're running the bowler wheels with the RTS discs and pads. We're on PS4s, and with these wheels, like I said, I was very specific when I got them. I wanted them to run a 245 and a 255 tyre front to rear, which is great. We've got the zero side skirts, M Performance spoiler here, zero rear diffuser. And also at the bottom here, we've got some nice M Performance tips. And in the middle of that, we've got a Cobra mid-pipe. So it's a res delete running a VSRF sports cap. In terms of suspension, we've got the rear subframe solid bush. So that's running some Milway bushes. And we've also got the diff bushes replaced with some nice purple Powerflex to keep everything nice and sturdy. We're running KW adaptive suspension. They are also adjustable coilovers, meaning you can go any height you want. Moving into the heart of the beast, we've got the Ultra Racing strut bar, running a TU HPFP, the MST intake and the VSRF charge pipe. This car can make around 520 brake horsepower on the right ethanol blend. So remember, Williams Performance got that sorted and we're running crazy power. But when you're just running 99 run, because of the Odin tune map that we have, it literally detunes itself and it runs 480. As soon as you add the ethanol in, it readjusts itself and we're good as gold. Moving into the interior, you can see we've got the nice M Performance Alcantara, black bottom steering wheel, also got the M4 paddles as well. So that's that for spec. In terms of the reason why, I'll probably go into that in another video. And in terms of new car, we're still on the lookout for one of those, so stay tuned for that. But if you remember, I had an M140, then I had an M2, which was probably the best car I've owned, and then I went back, in terms of back, I mean down to an M240i. Number one, at the time when I sold the M2, the prices were insane, and I made quite a good sum on that, and I just thought, you know what, I wasn't driving it, it was during lockdown, opportunity arose for me, and I said, yeah, let's get out of it while we can, and I did. And I went back to this because it's a B58, it's great, and I love it, like the auto ID bits, it looks stunning. But the issue I had is this purchase wasn't a Tim purchase. This purchase was more of a purchase for the channel, and I thought, you know what, B58, it's a no-brainer. Everyone loves a 140. The next car I get is going to be a me purchase, and if it works on the channel, it does, and if it doesn't, oh well. I believe it will, and I hope it does, and obviously the other opportunities that I have as well in terms of press car and content and trips, hopefully that can fill the channel up as well. But yeah, this car is no longer mine. I've got to say a big shout out to everyone that supported on the way, from GG Autos at the very beginning, Define Coding, everyone, Motec, Swift Performance, Williams Performance. Everyone has really helped and supported this build. But you know what? I might as well just tell you. This car is going to be sold and won from LLF Games. There you go. You can win this car for just £1, but I don't know too much information about it. Let me introduce you to somebody that does. And here he is,
What's
the
going
main
on,
man.
guys? Sorry, did I cut you?
Bro, that's too late, man. We don't cut out, bro. We just continue. Like Ricky, I cut off everyone, so it's about time that the main man done it to me. No one better to do it. What are you saying anyway, bro? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm blessed, brother.
Good. Let me give you some. Yeah, 100%.
I've seen you a few times, though, innit?
Listen, with Ricky, guys, I've always said he is the OG when it comes to car modified content. And if you want to learn how to do it in the game, look no further, sort of thing. And when it comes to selling your car, if it's decent, and obviously it hasn't been, I don't know, taken to Swahili and put in a bush, Ricky will literally get in touch and you might be able to get it on Ricky's platform, which is LLF Games. You want to talk just a bit about that?
Yeah, we do car competitions every Wednesday, every Sunday, 10:30. We're about to reduce it to like 9:30. So basically 9:30 we reveal the winner twice a week, like 100% guaranteed winners. Wow. And obviously we just bought your car. You know I like the B58.
Yep.
We've done an M240 as well, which did well.
Yes.
Of course, it's a man like Tim's whip.
You know what?
Do you know what I'm saying,
They know
bro?
what it is. They know. You guys got no excuses. Can I ask you some questions? Subscribe to the thing and watch the things, boys. Don't need to ask any questions.
Yeah, so this one's going to be up. This will be a Wednesday comp.
Wicked.
And tickets will probably be 99p.
Wicked.
I don't know how many entries as of now, because we're probably going to launch it in a couple of weeks.
Sure.
But, yeah, man, your people get a chance to win your car. For us, we get an awesome car for the platform.
This is it. Guys, there's no excuses. There's absolutely no excuses. And something some of you might have noticed if you follow me on Instagram is that I love the LLF Game platform because I've always said, and this is me being brutally honest, in front of Ricky here himself, I was a skeptic when it came to these giveaway channels. I'm like, how are they just giving away cars for like
who's giving away a car for
99p?
99p? Don't be silly.
And I was like, oh yeah, all of the people they probably know Ricky. Like Ricky knows 30,000 people. He's giving them a fiver each. That's not how it works, guys. Because
Bro,
I've
this is
seen
what everyone says.
Yeah.
And you know what? When I see it, like I do get offended a little bit.
100%.
I've been out here for years,
Yeah,
bro. What,
man.
I'm out here scamming.
Nah, never
Ricky,
that.
like,
never
seriously.
that. Never that.
But no, I get it though, because the people that say that, they don't even think for a second, like, wait there, they're selling 30, 40,000
Yeah,
pounds.
when you do the
they're not
maths.
even doing the maths.
Yeah, you
they're
have
just
to.
going, bro, you ain't getting a car
Yeah,
for 99p.
99p, bro.
Because why would you give away a car
Because
for
no one
99p?
wins. Not everyone wins in life, innit? You know, like back in the
Yeah.
day, I had this thing, like my dad said, oh yeah, you take it off the cornflakes box and then apply it, and then you're going to put the ticket in, they're going to send you. I never ever one of those, so I've always been one of those people like, you know what, you can apply for these giveaways, nothing ever happens, but
Brother,
you know what?
thousands and thousands of people
Oh
enter.
yeah, bro, I hear that. I
The
see
lottery's
it.
millions of people.
I see it.
And let me tell you, most of the people that have been entering for like, some people win with one ticket, and a lot of people that have been entering for about 2 years eventually win.
Boom. Yeah.
I'm not trying to sit
100.
here and do
No,
sales lines
it's
right
facts.
now.
It's facts.
Bro, only enter, like, bro, it's 99p.
Yeah, you get
Come
me.
on, bro. Like, it's not
nuts.
10, 20 pounds. You're not breaking them. It's 99p.
And when you think about it, for me, 99p or whatever, you're gonna take your car out for a Sunday blast. You're gonna spend £20 worth of for petrol. You might as well £20 worth of tickets,
But
bro.
your people, they don't want to hear this shit, though.
Do you know what I mean?
Nobody wants to hear it.
It's true.
Come on,
They're like,
get him off,
stop
man. We don't care
lying,
about
man.
competitions.
It's facts.
But
This
we've got Tim's
car,
car, man, and we're going to go for a
car.
drive on my channel as well.
There we go. Make sure you check that out because that's what we're gonna do.
We returned as well.
Exactly,
by the way.
LLF,
and
the
that,
one
you know
and
what I'm saying?
only,
Tell 'em, Tim,
one
we're
and
back.
only. Listen,
We're back.
guys, what I'm gonna do, we're probably gonna talk more about the car and why, and just a nice little chilled chat. So make sure you head over to LLF's channel, and guys,
Yeah,
it's been great.
Collab, innit?
Exactly, exactly. It's been great to have you guys. It's been great to have you guys. It's been great to have the car, but I think now is the best time for it to move on, and it'll be great to see one of you guys with one of these cars. So make sure you click on the link below and check it out. Guys, in a sec.